Planning a trip to Kazakhstan in 2026? Kazakhstan is famous for its legendary hospitality, but there are certain cultural unwritten rules you need to know to avoid awkward moments. From the half-full cup mystery to safety tips in big cities like Almaty and Astana, here is your no-stress guide to Kazakh etiquette. Cultural etiquette, do's and don'ts the do's. Accept hospitality. If you're offered tea or food, say yes. It's a major sign of respect for the host. Shoes off. Always remove your shoes before entering a Kazakh home. Most hosts will provide guest slippers. Bring a gift. If invited to dinner, bring a sweet treat, chocolates or pastries, for the family. Respect elders. Give up your seat and let elders speak first. They are the most respected members of society. Dress modestly. When visiting mosques or churches, cover your shoulders and knees. Ladies, keep a scarf handy. The don'ts: don't refuse. Tea. If your cup is only half full, don't worry. This is the half-full cup rule. It keeps your tea hot and allows the host to serve you more frequently. Avoid the B word. Don't mention Borat. Locals find it offensive. Focus on the real beauty of the Great Step. Watch your feet. Never point your feet directly at people or food when sitting on the floor in a yurt or traditional setting. Public affection. Keep it low-key. Excessive kissing or hugging in public is discouraged in this secular but conservative culture. Practical safety and travel tips. The DO's: passport first. Always carry your original passport. Police may ask for ID, and a photo on your phone isn't always enough. App-based taxis. Stick to Yandex Go or InDrive. They are fixed price, safer, and eliminate the need for haggling. Market bargaining. Feel free to negotiate at the Green Bazaar, Almaty, or local markets for souvenirs. Stay hydrated. Drink bottled water only to avoid any stomach issues during your trip. The don'ts. No spot fines. If someone claiming to be police asks for cash on the spot, refuse. Offer to go to the official station. Paying on the spot is illegal. Hide the bling. Avoid wearing expensive jewelry or flashing large stacks of cash in crowded markets. English expectations. While growing, English is rare outside Almaty and Astana. Download Google Translate, Russian and Kazakh packs before you land. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed the review and we are going to be helpful for you. Welcome to Kazakhstan.